Hello everyone, here in this video I am gonna show you the best paint colors for your living room area, for your bedroom area and for your kitchen area. In short, you can say that this video is all about the best paint colors for your home interior. Your living room and bedroom is probably the most popular room in the house. So decorating it to make sure it is a place you actually look forward to spending time in a must. And that brings us to color, since coming up with a palette will likely drive the design process and set the mood for years to come. Whether you want something bold and bright, neutral or moody, we have got the amazing and stylish tons of living room paint color ideas for you to get inspired by a hat. All you have to do is to put on your overalls and grab a roller. The hardest part will be deciding between all these designer approved paint colors. Here we are showing you the home interior colors that will make you wake up happier in 2021. We will be the first to admit that waking up early and leaving a cozy bed is not always fun. But creating a bedroom that's energizing and mood boosting can make it a whole lot easier. Since colors and light affect our mood, there's a strong case for a colorful bedroom. Whether you introduce those pops of colors with paint, bedding or artwork, you will find something to emulate in the gorgeous examples of colorful bedrooms and living rooms. Black is not the most obvious color for a home interior, but that's what makes it so great. A living room with black walls is unexpected and dramatic. Architectural details in the room draw more attention. Your furniture pops against the dark backdrop. If your living room gets a lot of sun, black walls can temper the glare of natural light. There are many ways to design a black living room, and they all make a strong statement that will be the centerpiece of your home. Beige is the go-to natural for interior designers. The dependable hue evokes the simplicity of raw fabrics. A beige living room is essential for a decorator who loves the minimalist look. The hottest design trend involves populating your living room with different shades of white. Subtle beige walls set the scene for this stunning, classy effect. Beige is one of the living room colors that people turn to again and again. Blue is the America's favorite color. so it is a no barrier for the room that brings everyone together. A blue living room has a calming, stabilizing effect on your home. There are many attractive shades of blue, and they all go well with natural like brown. Go well with neutrals like brown and cream. If your living room has hardwood floors, blue is an especially stylish choice. Blue living rooms seem clean and orderly without sacrificing color. Gray walls makes your living room feel more spacious, elegant and serene. A gray room suits modernist decor as well as vintage ensembles. If you like to experiment with pops of color and conversation pieces, gray room walls provide a nice backdrop for your artistry. Gray is a popular neutral for any room in the house, but it looks particularly sophisticated in the room. It is among the most popular living room colors. Green is the color of harmony and renewal because it echoes the hues of the natural world. It is one of the best paint colors for rooms. If you do not have the space or the energy for a bevy of houseplants, green walls will be the splash of life your room needs. Green can be fresh and subtle at the same time. It is the perfect alternative for those who find neutrals too boring. The living room unites the things that makes your house a home. Comfort, togetherness. It's the setting for countless memories and peaceful moments. So it's not surprising that paint colors for rooms have a huge impact on the overall mood of your home. Depending on home's unique personality, your space can be soothing or statement making. It can have old-fashioned charm or modern appeal. Whatever your style, these gorgeous paint colors are the top choices for your room, whether you are looking to hire a painter or do it yourself. Here in this video, I have showed you the living room colors, timeless colors that add beauty to your home. Please provide your feedback and do not forget to like this video. Thank you so much.